crackhead. Oh, is it bleeding?
No, that's your fucking hole.
We
need a pin.
It don't even hurt, mate. That weren't even pain. That just felt bad.
You put it through the rest, man. It's fucking horrible.
I'll push. I'll push. Go through, is it? No, leave it now. Leave it.
No, come on. We gotta get all the way through. We're
nearly
there. We are.
I've got to record.
How close is it though?
It's in about 2 seconds. It'll go all the way through.
Record it, man.
Callum, you ready? You gotta push me on.
No, don't shove it through like that, because you rip my ear off.
Come on, push it. Push, I mean, swear, push.
Oh, that's hurting, isn't it, Callum?
No. Come on, wrap it fucking through, boys.
Mate, he's nearly through. I can feel it, yeah. It's fucking horrible. You idiot, God of fuck.
Love it, don't I?
You fucking bastard.
He's gonna like having that 20 on his.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nearly through. It's nearly through.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh,
Keep pushing me on.
Come on, Bean! Come on! Get it through!
Come on, you cunt.
No, Bean is hurting it.
No, it ain't.
Yes! You beauty!
It's through! Is it through?
Yes! Yes!
Oh, we gotta put that on you! We got it, man. We got it.
Show the back.
Oh, no, don't even hurt.
Leave it in, man. Leave it a bit. Leave it in for a bit. Leave it in for a bit so it's fucking sealed down.
Look at all it's in.
Oh, that's fat.
That's probably got his ear pierced up the gate.
Oh, you can see a whole. Look.